All right, so there's a question that came in about cleaning up contour lines or lines that look something like this where they're pretty jagged. There's a tool under data prep and it's using the project cleanup. So basically under project cleanup, what you would do first of all is select the object, and then I would go to project cleanup. Now, what you can do here is click on current selection and then uncheck everything but this filter line vertices. Now, if you hit F1 and it opens up the help, you can see here, it kind of gives you a little preview. So what's going to happen is, based on the tolerance you put in there, it's going to remove some of these vertices. Now, this might be a little bit of a trial and error, and I'll show you what happens. So I'm going to do it with 2, and I'm going to click apply. You can see that it kind of really destroys my line a little bit, or at least some of the intent. So it got rid of more than I wanted to. So I'm going to undo it. I just want to show you the difference of what's going to happen here. So I'll zoom out so you can see the whole thing. So then if I click that line again and I go to project cleanup, this time let's go ahead and set it to like 0.5. Right? So the smaller you set it, the less it'll mess around with any of this other stuff. Now when I go ahead and I click on apply, you can see that it cleans up some of those vertices in that contour. Now if you wanted to smooth it, make it rounder, then you would have to come in and edit this, and it seems to be a lot more work probably than it's worth, but you could change these to maybe some smooth arcs, and you know, it'll do this one too, right? Make that a smooth arc, and let's do one more. Or smooth curve. That one, oop, I didn't do it. So smooth curve. There we go. All right, and then yeah, so that one's smooth curve. So you can see I kind of smooth those out. Make that one straight, and then yeah, there we go. So that's a little bit smoother through there, or insert in some more vertice points that you want. But realistically, it's kind of just showing you that filter line vertice based on our project cleanup, filter line vertices, and you can clean it up. And if there's splines, you can also click on Include Splines, and it'll apply it. So you can do a group of them at a time. It's just one of those things you got to smooth out. The other way to clean that up is to probably just, like I said, just maybe break it, and then put a new arc in there the way that you want it to look, following that design intent, and then delete those jagged contour lines through there. But you know, like this one up in here, it's probably just as easy to come in here and edit this guy, and you know, just delete that piece there. Again, it's up to you. I don't know if I would do all that, but like in here too, same thing, right? Does that contour really go that way? You can always do that too. So just different ways of project cleanup, but the filter line vertices would clean it up probably the best.